How we speak to ourselves shapes our reality. The words we choose not only reflect our mindset, but also influence the energy we attract into our lives. If you want to manifest your desires and create the life you've always dreamed of, the way you speak to yourself is key. In this video, we'll explore how speaking to yourself with positivity, affirmation, and love can help you attract anything you desire. The language you use can either build or break your dreams. Speaking positively to yourself reinforces the belief that you are worthy of receiving all the good things life has to offer. Words are powerful, and when you use affirmations, you are sending a clear message to your subconscious that you believe in your own worth. Start by replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. For example, instead of thinking, "I'll never succeed," reframe it to, "I am capable of achieving my goals." This simple change in phrasing shifts your energy from doubt to belief, setting the stage for success. Your subconscious will begin to align with your new, empowered belief system, drawing opportunities and positive outcomes into your life. When you speak positively to yourself, it becomes easier to visualize your goals as attainable. The more you affirm your worth and capabilities, the more confident you will feel in taking action toward your desires. Positivity in your self-talk attracts a higher vibration, and when you maintain this positive energy, you'll find that the things you want start manifesting more quickly. Affirmations are not just about repeating positive statements, they are about genuinely believing in what you say. You are programming your mind to create the reality you want. Every time you speak positively, you reinforce your belief in your own power, making it easier to attract success, love, wealth, and health into your life. Gratitude is one of the most powerful forces when it comes to manifesting what you want. By expressing gratitude in your self-talk, you shift your energy from a state of lack to one of abundance. When you are thankful for what you already have, you send out a vibration that signals to the universe that you are ready for more. Start each day by acknowledging the things you are grateful for. Whether it's your health, your family, or the simple joys of life, expressing gratitude draws more of what you appreciate into your life. This mindset not only strengthens your connection to the present moment, but also prepares you to receive even greater blessings. When you speak with gratitude, you open yourself up to abundance. The universe responds to your energy, and when you express appreciation, you signal that you are ready to receive more. Gratitude enhances your vibration, creating an energy field around you that attracts positivity, opportunities, and new possibilities. Incorporate gratitude into your daily self-talk. It could be as simple as saying, "I am grateful for everything that I have, and I welcome even more into my life." By expressing gratitude, you align with the abundant energy of the universe, making it easier to manifest the things you desire. Confidence in your self-talk is essential for attracting what you want. When you speak to yourself with confidence, you affirm that you believe in your abilities and your worth. This level of belief sends out a powerful message to the universe, signaling that you are ready to claim your desires. Start by acknowledging your strengths and talents. Recognize the achievements you've already made and use them as fuel to propel you forward. Speaking with confidence isn't about arrogance, it's about knowing that you have the ability to create the life you desire. When you speak to yourself with confidence, you become a magnet for success, opportunities, and people who support your vision. Your inner dialogue is a reflection of your outer reality. If you want to manifest abundance, success, or love, you must first speak to yourself as if you already have it. Confident self-talk helps shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance, creating a vibration that attracts positive energy and manifestations. Confidence doesn't mean you have to have all the answers. It simply means trusting yourself and your ability to navigate whatever comes your way. Speak to yourself with confidence and watch as your reality begins to shift in alignment with your desires. Clarity and intention in your self-talk are crucial for manifesting what you desire. When you are clear about what you want and communicate that intention to yourself, you direct your energy toward a specific goal. The more precise you are with your words, the more focused your energy becomes. Start by clearly defining what you want to manifest. Be specific about your desires, whether it's financial abundance, a loving relationship, or personal growth. Speak your intentions aloud with clarity and repeat them regularly to solidify your focus. The universe responds to clear intentions, and when you speak them with certainty, you send out a signal that you are ready to receive. Intention-driven self-talk helps you stay aligned with your goals. Every time you speak your desires into existence, you reinforce your commitment to achieving them. Your words become a powerful tool for manifestation, guiding your actions and decisions toward your desired outcome. Use intentional language in your daily self-talk. Instead of vague phrases like, "I want more money," try saying, "I am open to receiving abundance in all areas of my life." Clarity and intention in your words help you align with your desires and attract them into your reality. The most transformative way to speak to yourself is with love and compassion. Self-love is the foundation of all manifestation. When you speak to yourself with kindness and understanding, you create an environment of acceptance and support. This allows you to tap into your inner power and attract what you deserve. Start by speaking to yourself as you would a dear friend, gently and with care. Acknowledge your imperfections and accept them with love. Self-compassion helps you release self-judgment and fear, creating a space where you can truly step into your power. When you speak with love, you also create a positive environment for growth. Negative self-talk can hold you back, but when you speak kindly to yourself, you allow yourself to heal and grow. This healing energy aligns you with your desires and creates a flow of positive energy that attracts more of what you want into your life. Every time you speak to yourself with love and compassion, you reinforce your worth and your right to live a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. This self-love becomes the magnetic force that draws your desires toward you. Patience and trust in the process are essential elements of attracting your desires. It's easy to get frustrated when things don't happen immediately, but when you speak to yourself with patience, you reinforce the understanding that everything unfolds in its own time. Trusting the timing of the universe allows you to remain calm and confident as you wait for your desires to manifest. Speak to yourself with patience by acknowledging that your dreams are on their way, even if you can't see them yet. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring everything together in perfect timing. Your self-talk should reflect a calm assurance that what you want is already in the process of coming to you. Trusting the process means letting go of the need for control and allowing life to unfold naturally. When you speak with trust, you create an energy of surrender and acceptance, which is essential for manifestation. Trust that your desires are on their way and stay patient as the universe aligns everything for you. Patience and trust in your self-talk will help you remain grounded and focused even during times of uncertainty. This mindset will help you maintain your confidence and stay aligned with your goals, no matter how long the journey takes. The way you speak to yourself is a powerful tool for attracting everything you desire. When you choose to speak with positivity, confidence, clarity, love, and patience, you create an environment for manifestation to occur. Your words have the ability to shape your reality and bring your desires into fruition. If you want to attract abundance, success, and happiness, start by speaking to yourself in a way that reflects your worth and aligns with your dreams. If this video resonated with you, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on personal growth and manifestation. Keep speaking to yourself with love and positivity and watch as your desires come to life.